Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at another weather app. It's called Meteoceil. It's a French app. That's also comes from a French website. Don't let that put you off though. However, if you are after just your basic weather app that gives you the information of the weather over the next hours and days, and you're outside France, it's probably not going to be the app for you. It does give lots of information if you are living or visiting France, but for the majority of people, and what I use it for, is stuff that's a bit further down the list. Obviously, being a French app, it's all in French, but you can soon get used to that. And if we go to this page here, we can get lots of information such as temperature, maximum minimum temperature for the day, wind chill, humidity, pressure, cloud cover, satellite images, and so on and so on. If we just choose temperature, as standard, it comes up with the European map, but then if we press these dots up here, we can get other areas and get a more detailed version of France, the UK, other parts of Europe, and also the USA and Canada. So again, that's something a bit different that people might be interested in, rather than just looking at your standard stuff you get on the other type of weather apps. However, if you are a bit like me and you're more interested in your weather and a bit of an amateur weather forecaster, or even a professional forecaster, as I know use this is where this app really comes into its own, because you can see all the major models. It does take a little bit of time to load up because there's lots of information. Yeah, you've got all your major information models here. So you've got the GFS, ECM, UK Met Office, JMA, GEM. The list goes on all the way down to the what you could call smaller models. If we just choose ECM, you click on it, you have various choices of the type of model you're after. We're just going to look at this one. Again, you can either go by country, the Northern Hemisphere. We're going to look at Europe. And then you've got the available charts. So we'll look at the 850 HPA temps, for example. And then you can scroll through the various days. And of course, this updates in time with the model updates. So in the case of the ECM WF, it updates twice a day. GFS will update 4 times a day. If we go and have a look at GFS, this gives you a bit more just the type of model it is. So we also get America, same sort of thing. And of course you get many more charts. But all the information is there for all the major models that you would be able to get on the websites like the Meteoceil website and things like that. Whatever chart you choose and whatever model you're using, there's some functions that are all the same. As you saw a minute ago, if you press the 3 dots in the top right hand corner, you can get a blown up image which you can zoom in and zoom out of. Press it again, you can quickly switch between the various different charts. Which is a quicker way of then having to go out and all the way back into the model. Pressing the F button, the Facebook button, lets you allow it to share to Facebook. That's all that's built in at the moment. You can't share to Twitter or anything else. You'd have to take a screenshot and then share it to other social media that way. If you press the star, and you can favourite a chart, and then when you're in the main model screen and click up at the top, you'll see all your favourite charts, which is a useful feature. It also has meteograms. Again, this is very France-based, French-based, but there are a couple of other European cities such as Madrid and London. And here we have our 850, 500 temperatures and participation. Again, we can switch between the different type of charts and share to Facebook. So yeah, as I said at the beginning, this isn't a basic weather app which will just give you the information you want. You know, if you want to just see what the weather's going to be like next week, in a couple of hours, next couple of days, then there's a lot better apps on the market if you are outside France. If you want more information about the weather, if you want weather charts, if you want the meteograms, then this is probably the best app out there. There are a couple of others I've seen. They tend to be on iOS only, but for Android, this is the go-to app. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be back again soon with another one. Won't be weather related this time. If you have enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.